Good morning. I'm your teacher, Miss Mahira. I hope you enjoy my previous lesson. Now today we will reinforce the sounds and the vocabulary. For this I have a picture basket in which we will identify the sounds and the vocabulary. Okay, now for this you all will help me. Okay, nursery, are you ready for that? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Yes, now my nursery are ready. Okay, now you'll start. Okay, now this is, what is this? This is tiger. Let's find out. Where is Is this No. Is this Yes. Tiger. Bravo. Bravo, nursery. Now what is this? It is iguana. Iguana. Now let us find out where is Oh, I found out This is iguana. Okay, now what's that? It's a peanut. It's a peanut. Now find out where is the sound p. Find out. Oh, I got it here. Peanut. Peanut. Now, what else is left? Apple. Apple. Let us find out. Apple. Where is Here we go. Apple. Put it there. Apple. Now, what is this? It's a nail paint. It's a nail paint. Nail paint. Nail paint. We'll put it there. Now, what is this? It's a sandwich. It's a sandwich. 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 So we will put a sandwich over here and sandwich. Let's recall it again, nursery. Iguana, peanut, tiger, nail polish or nail paint, apple, sandwich. Bravo, nursery. I'm proud of you. Thank you.